So similarly, the way multiplication of fraction was different from addition and subtraction of fraction, so also division of fraction is different from the other three. Now, when you want to divide the fractions, there are three steps you follow. You rewrite the fraction, you change the division sign to multiplication, and then you invert the right hand side of the fraction before you multiply the fraction. This sounds just like a theory, but we are going to put it into practical. So let's assume we have 3 whole number all over 4 as a fraction. Now it's being divided by 1 all over 2. This is what a fraction being divided by another fraction. This sounds like a problem, but it is not a problem. Now the first thing there says we should rewrite the fraction, correct? So we want to rewrite this fraction without this division line. Remember, this division line also stands for what? Division, like this, correct? So we are going to rewrite this fraction now. So when we do, we have 3 whole number all over 3 all over 4, sorry, divided by what? 1 all over 2. Now we have succeeded in rewriting what? This fraction. Now the next step says change the division sign, which is this very sign here, to multiplication, and invert the right hand part of the fraction. So let's change the division sign. So we still have 3 all over 4. This time around we are going to change the division sign now toward multiplication. It's no longer going to be division, and when we change it to multiplication, we invert the right hand side of the fraction. This simply means that 2 becomes the numerator and 1 becomes the denominator. So if 2 becomes the numerator and 1 becomes the denominator, we have 2 all over 1, and we know 2 all over 1 is the same thing as 2. So we have done the second part of what? The steps toward find the division of fraction. Now the last part says multiply the fraction. So let me rewrite it again. So we have 3 all over what? 4 times what? 2 all over 1. So what do we have there? 3 times 2 all over 4 times 1. So this is our simple arithmetic. So 3 times 2 is going to give us 6, and 4 times 1 is going to give us what? 4. Now this is the answer, but we can still divide further because 6 and 4 have a common factor. Now again, you have to check the video on the description about how to find LCM. You find how to get the common factor. There's something common to 6 and 4, which is 2. So if 2 divides 6, we are going to have 3, and if 2 divides 4, we are going to have what? 2. So our final answer is 3 all over 2. That is the answer to this very question that we have here. 3 all over 4 divided by 1 all over 2. The first step is to rewrite the fraction. We did it by writing 3 all over 4 divided by 1 all over 2. And the second step says we should change the division sign to multiplication and invert the right hand of the fraction. So we change it from division to multiplication, and 2 becomes the numerator, 1 becomes the denominator, just so we can continue. That is why I did not say just 2. Now we then move to the last one, which says multiply the fraction. So 3 all over 4 multiplied by 2 all over 1 gives us 6 all over 4. So we divide further and we have 3 all over 2. So we finally gotten the answer of the question. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give a thumb up if you like this video, if you like the tutorial, the class. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll be dropping video classes every time, so you'll be notified when you hit that subscribe bell, and then you will be notified when we drop new videos. So converting mixed fraction to improper fraction or proper fraction is going to be our next video which we're going to drop. So don't forget to hit that like button if you find this resource useful. The subscribe button is there. Do it to subscribe to the channel, and then you will be notified. So we'll see you in the next video.